Hi there, good afternoon. Welcome back to It's Dwight Cooking Show. Today I'll be preparing stew mutton. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. Okay guys, as you know I always prepare my meats before cooking overnight, but I always leave a description below of the ingredients that I put inside of the meat. Stew mutton. Normally it's been curried and I just decided to do something different today. I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Okay guys, I'm gonna go ahead and add some oil and let it heat up, and then I'll add the mutton to it. Okay guys, there you can see the pot is getting hot, so I'm going to add the mutton. Okay, there you go guys. I went ahead and add it. Now I'm going to constantly stir it in order for it not to stick and to get its brown color. Now guys, I went ahead and add a little water to it because it got it the color that I wanted it to get, which is brown. So I'm gonna let it steam a bit and prepare the ingredients to add to it. Okay guys, here I am again. I'm gonna go ahead and add the seasoning to the pot. And I'm gonna cover it now and let it continue to steam while I add the kettle to the stove to warm some water. There you go guys, look at it. Nice and beautiful. I'm gonna add warm water now. So guys, I'm gonna cut up 1.5 carrots and basically 2 carrots and 2 Irish potato to add to the sauce. Guys, look at that. It's getting right where we want it to. I'd gone and added more water to it, so right now I'm going to add the carrots and the Irish potato to the dish. Now guys, if you want to, you can also add your butter beans to it, but I'm not going to add that. I'm just going to make it simple. I really hope you enjoy this dish. Please remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for the support. Thank you. Guys, look at that pot. It's just bubbling. Gravy thick. Stew mutton or stew goat. You know which one you want to call it. Thanks again for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. Okay guys, so now we're gonna turn off the stoves because it's finished cooked. Join me at the table. Okay guys, there's a finishing product. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.